Okay, good morning everyone. Very good morning to all. In the last lab, we have seen introduction of SQL, DDL, DML, DCL, TCL commands, right? And all of you have created the application Express signing, right? Let me share this screen. Everyone signing into this one. Get SQL workshop. Click on SQL command. Click on SQL command. Have you created any sample table? Yes or no? Or it's remaining? Have you
No,
created?
no, sir.
Do you know what we have did last lab?
સર તમે આમાં લોગિન કરતા લોગિન ખાલી કરાવ્યું હતું એપેક્સ
Yes.
મેન્યુઅલ
સર
માંથી જોઈ
Okay.
એસક્યુએલ વિશે સમજાવ્યું ને ખાલી લોગિન કરાવ્યું હતું સર આમાં.
Okay. Create need any syntax બાકી છે, fine. Okay. Nice. Then let me stop. તમારા લોકો PC start. Okay, one notepad file is visible to you. First, we are going to learn the concept. Already we have seen the DDL, DML, and DCL commands, right? So DDL it means data definition language, through which we can create the tables, create the figures, functions, store procedure, everything. So create is one command. Create. It is one command to create the table. So I am writing the syntax. Create table. I am writing the syntax, general syntax. Table name into bracket column 1 data type of that column and into bracket size comma column 2 data type and into bracket size of that and so on comma करके so on you can add any number of column then semicolon. Now semicolon is depends on application. In Apex, if you do not put the semicolon at the end of statement, it will work. But in VLSQL or in some other platform, it is mandatory, right? Let me give you one example. Create table. Create is one command. Table is keyword. So we are creating the table. So create table PC1. PC1 column name. First column name means roll number. Data type is roll number is number. Size let's say 5. Comma student name. Data type is character 2 into bracket size let's say name 20. Okay, done. Let's close this bracket and put the semicolon. Right? This way you can create the table. You can create the table. Just 1 minute. Okay, fine. Now after creating table, we need to insert the data. So for that we need to learn syntax of insert. So insert into our table name must table name then values. This is the syntax. Values के अंदर we need to write single quotation value 1 single quotation over comma value 2 so on. Now this value must be in a sequence whatever we have defined in a time of table creation. Let me give you example. Insert into is a keyword table name. Our table name is PC1. PC1 and values. Our first column is roll number. So I have to enter the roll number. Now keep this thing in your mind. Keep this thing here in your mind. Whenever we use the number data type, no need to put the single quotation. Simply I can write 10 here, comma. Now second column is name. Let me write my name. Whatever data you are going to insert, it will be reflected or it will be stored in your database table. So जैसे आप M कैपिटल है तो M कैपिटल में स्टोर होगा, M स्मॉल है तो स्मॉल में. So remember this one. Your data is case sensitive, but your table is not case sensitive. Table is not case sensitive. If you type capital TC1 and small TC1, both are same. But here capital meters or small meters both are different thing, right? Now put the bracket and put semicolon. Now let me share my screen. Database itself a table, right? एक्सेल फाइल में आप क्या कर रहे हो? वो टेबल बोलते हैं, डेटाबेस बोले. डेटाबेस इट मीन्स लॉजिकली रिलेटेड डेटा. तो टेबल में हम क्या कर रहे हैं? रोल नंबर, स्टूडेंट नेम, लॉजिकली रिलेटेड ही है. सो अभी आपको क्या करना है? व्हाटएवर यू हैव क्रिएटेड हियर यू नीड टू कॉपी एंड पेस्ट हियर. Now remember, throughout entire semester, all of you have to maintain the Word file. it depends on you. If you want to add this screenshot, you can. That is not my requirement. Okay. So let me run. Let me run this one. If someone is asking, okay. Why you late? Join late. Join. Missing right parenthesis. It means something is missing. Here R is missing. Where careful. Then again. Yes. In a result, you will find table created. The result, you will find table created. Now, from where you can see this table, click on find tables. You will find TC2 here. So when I click on TC2, it will give the structure. जो आपने columns बनाई है, length बनाई है, data type. It will show you the structure. This is one way. This is one way by which you can see the structure of the table or schema of the table. Suppose ये find table button नहीं आया. If you are working on a PL/SQL, तो उसके लिए describe ये आपको याद रखना है. Describe word है. Describe and then table name. Describe and then table name. I am not putting semicolon. Then let's run. It will give you the same data. Data type length. Nullable में क्लिक है, वो constraints है, वो भी आपको नहीं पता चलेगा. We will see it later. Here you can write entire spelling of describe. पूरा spelling DESCRIBE as well as short form DESC भी लिख सकते हो. So उससे पता चलेगा columns, data type, size, everything. It means structure. Sometimes in a query they ask for the structure of the table, right? So this is the structure. Now let's insert. So insert करने के लिए आपको यहाँ से delete करके उस फाइल में जाना है. हमने क्या insert किया, इसको copy करो, इसको यहाँ पे paste करो और run करो. One row inserted. It means your data is successfully stored in TC1 table. I am doing that one. Next row, let's say 20 and name is Smith. Okay? आप यहाँ पे changes नहीं करेंगे. You need to maintain one word file. In that word file, you need to write all the queries separately. कैसे करना है वो आपको अभी दिखा रहा हूँ. थोड़ी देर के बाद. Let's run it. One more row inserted. इसमें ऐसा लिख के नहीं आएगा 2 row inserted. Every time at a time we are inserting one row, and that's why it comes here 1 row is inserted. Now how to check whether data is inserted or not? Before that we have a DML command select to display the command. So these 4 basic commands are required to table create, then insert and display, and structure display करने के लिए describe. So select star, अभी आप ये याद रख लो, इसको मैं बाद में explain करूँगा. Select star from TC1. कौन से टेबल में से डेटा में डिस्प्ले करवाना है? TC1 से. ये स्टार का मतलब क्या है? I will explain you later. Let's run it. The data will be displayed. Select star from TC1. Okay, sometimes due to some network, due to some server error, without error, they will give you the error. ठीक है, तो आप क्या करेंगे? दूसरी बार रन करेंगे. आ गया? मैंने कुछ क्वेरी में चेंज नहीं किया. Sometimes it will happen. Here, तो यहाँ पे देखो रोल नंबर एंड नेम 10, 20, Nitesh and Meet डेटा आ गया. Clear? Now I am writing here first syntax create, second insert. If you want to describe your table, you can use this one, and if you want to see your data, select star from table. By this way you can do the practice. So right now All of you do the practice. Make any table with appropriate columns and insert 2 to 3 rows and see this one. Okay. Then later on, I will explain next one. Okay, fine. Do you have any query, any doubt? Okay, my screen is visible and go ahead with the practice.
Hello, sir. Sir, Mitesh sir. Hello, Mitesh sir.
Yes, Nika.
હા સર, મારી આ પહેલી લેબ છે તો મારું લોગિન બોગિન ને કાંઈ બન્યું નથી હજી.
તો પછી કોનો ફોલ્ટ? આપણે લાસ્ટ લેબમાં શું કરાવ્યું રિકવર કરવાની કોની રિસ્પોન્સિબિલિટી આવે?
અરે સર, મારું રિજોઇન રિક્વેસ્ટ હમણાં આવી હતી ને, મેં મારું
આપણે ઘણો
જોઈનિંગ
ટાઈમ
હમણાં
થઈ
કર્યું
ગયો.
છે.
આ તો જોઈન થયો એ મને ખબર છે કેટલા દિવસ થઈ ગયા. મેલ છે મારી પાસે.
હા તો સર લેક્ચર હિસાબે આવે ને. તમે
લેક્ચર
એવું
હિસાબે આવે
બનાવ્યું
તો
છે.
તારે જોવું પડે ને લેબમાં આવે
ઈ
એ
તો
પેલા.
સર જોવું પડે, પણ અમે શું
તો
કે
પછી એવી
પેલા.
રીતે તારી જેમ એક સ્ટુડન્ટ આવે તો બાકી બધા સ્ટુડન્ટ્સને મારે પહેલેથી કરાવવું તો શું થાય? ઈ કન્ટેન્ટમાં જા, ઈ કન્ટેન્ટમાં લે એપેક્સ મેન્યુઅલ આપેલી છે, અકાઉન્ટ ક્રિએટ કર અને પછી આ સ્ટેપ્સ પરફોર્મ કર.
હા
See
તો સર
everyone, listen everyone, this is your responsibility. If you are absent in any lab, then you should ask your friends. I have pasted this 4 syntax into a chat. According to that, you can go and do the practice. आप इसमें 2 कॉलम 3 कॉलम 4 कॉलम कोई भी डाल दो और 4-5 डेटा भी डाल दो नोट्स. Once you complete this task, please put a message done into the chat. बोलता जी.
હેલો સર. સર
After doing this first one, please put message done into a chat so I can get the idea how many of you are clear. Yes, Jeet Mr.
સર સ્ટ્રક્ચર ઓલું બતાડજો ને સર એકવાર નોટપેડમાં.
નોટપેડમાં જે ડેટા હતો એ ડેટા ચેટમાં પેસ્ટ કર્યો છે.
સર એ ફૂલ ટાઈમ નેટવર્ક ઇશ્યુનું કારણે ઓલું થયું એટલે ચેટમાં નથી બતાડતું. ઓકે સર.
સર
યસ.
સર ઓલું ક્રિએટ ટેબલ વાળું હતું ને એમાં ટ્રાય કરીએ, એમાં કઈક મિસિંગ રાઈટ પેરેન્થેસિસ એવું લખેલું આવે છે.
Then
Run
put parenthesis.
મતલબ
Do you know what is the meaning of parenthesis? Bracket.
ઓકે ઓકે
અને 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 આમાં મારી મેં એક મિસ્ટેક કરેલી છે. If you observe then it will be solved.
કોપી પેસ્ટ કરશો તો નહીં થાય, થોડીક અક્કલ વાપરવી પડશે. મને ખબર છે શું મિસ્ટેક છે, અને ડ્યુરિંગ ડેમો આઈ કરેક્ટેડ ધેટ મિસ્ટેક. Yes, that is the mistake. Okay, with care, R is missing. Fine.
Once you finish this table, please put a message done into a chat so I can get the idea and we can move forward. Okay, most of you have done. Uh, let me. Okay, now everyone go to your e-content. Open, download the syllabus. In a syllabus, you will find the practical one. In a syllabus, you will find the practical list. Everyone pay attention on a screen. Just for 2 minutes, pay attention on a screen. And a practical one, it is given create a table account. Create a table account. Column name, data type, and size are given to you. So according to that, you need to create a table. In this, we have a 5 column, data type and size are given. So now all of you are able to create the table, right? And insert the following records: account number, name, city, balance, and loan taken. Whatever data is given to you, as it is, you need to type. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर सिटी मेहसाणा, तो मेहसाणा में एम कैपिटल है तो आपको एम कैपिटल ही डालना है, ऐसा नहीं कि स्मॉल डालना है। और पटेल जिगर दिया तो आपको पटेल जिगर ही देना है, आपके फ्रेंड का नाम नहीं लिखना है। समझ में आ गया? यहाँ पे जो डिटेल दिया है पटेल जिगर, पटेल रमेश, दवे, हार्दिक, सोनी, अतुल, सोनी, अतुल, तो वही एग्जैक्टली देना है। सोनी में देखो SONI है और एक में SONY है, तो आपको जैसे दिया है डेटा वही डेटा आपको देना है, कैपिटल स्मॉल। एज आई टोल्ड यू, डेटा इज केस सेंसिटिव, टेबल नेम इज नॉट केस सेंसिटिव। तो while you creating the table, create table account, so account आप small लिखो, capital लिखो, it doesn't matter, लेकिन डेटा कंपलसरी जो दिया है वही लिखना है। क्लियर? एनी डाउट? Any query, any doubt? If no, then go ahead. Practical one, no. Or strictly you need to follow this guideline. You have to write all the column names and data as it is. SEC underscore number वही लिखना है, कुछ changes नहीं करना है। Clear? Okay, fine. So go ahead and after completion of account table, put a message done into a chat. So तब तक मैं यहाँ पे offline जो students है उसका follow करेंगे, right? Yes, if you have done the account table, Ashish Kumar Misra, done, table created. Then after insert the values also. Hers Majetia. Yes, you can continue with the next table. अभी तक एक ही स्टूडेंट ने किया है आशीष ने और हर्ष का हो गया. What about others? Complete it. I will ask each and every student to share their screen and show me your data. Okay, हर्ष no issue.
સર
हाँ बोलो हर्ष.
વેલ્યુ આપણે એક એક કરીને ઇન્સર્ટ કરવાની કે એક આરે કરી
एक एक करी ना.
એક
FX
લાઈન
में एक FX में एक आरे નથી થતી TLSQL માં થઈ જાય છે. એટલે it depends on software.
ઓકે સર
બધી વસ્તુ જેટલી કરો છો ઇન્સર્ટ કરો છો ડાયરેક્ટ ચેન્જ ન કરતા વર્ડ ફાઇલમાં લખી રાખજો. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ 5 રો ઇન્સર્ટ કરો છો તો એ પાંચે પાંચ રો અલગથી વર્ડ ફાઇલમાં પેસ્ટ કરજો સિન્ટેક્સ. ઓકે સો all of you complete account table and then after go for the loan table. Right now I am stopping the screen. Sorry, I am stopping the recording.